We shall look at something called the midpoint formula. If we have 2 points A and B whose coordinates are given thus, we can easily find the coordinates of the midpoint M of this line segment because it divides AB in the ratio 1:1. Applying the internal section formula, we get xy is equal to 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 by 1 plus 1, 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 by 1 plus 1, which gives us x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula for midpoint of any 2 points. This is basically a simple average. This point is also called the point of bisection. We can also talk about points of trisection, that is those points which divide the line segment AB into 3 equal pieces. Let us say we have P and Q. It is very clear that P divides AB in the ratio 1:2 and Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So these are called points of trisection. It's very easy to find the coordinates. If we apply the section formula, we get P as 2x1 plus x2 by 3, 2y1 plus y2 by 3, and Q as x1 plus 2x2 by 3 and y1 plus 2y2 by 3.